这届的台北国际电脑展，有不少外国媒体拢专工到台湾来采访。美国有线电视新闻网 CNN 的记者讲，这届来台湾，看到台湾的科技业强大的实力，嘛看到台湾人哪像拢甲焦点放伫个电脑展的科技成果，完全无咧惊，嘛无咧插中国的军事演习。甲黄仁勋问讲，是毋是咧担心着地缘政治发生着冲突？黄仁勋回讲，台湾有伟大的工程甲技术，将会坚持投资台湾。
回答的执行长黄仁勋这回造访台北国际电脑展，盛会台抢的供应商，人行到底，民众就对到底。台股被数是大兵车，就连 CNN 的记者 Ripley 嘛看个港边。严格中国最近才大动作宽大军演，企业家拢拍拼行销台湾。记者就问讲，敢讲唔惊去打着中国的红线？黄仁勋是安尼讲的。
Been doing technology and doing engineering and conducting business here in Taiwan for almost 3 decades, and we're going to continue to do so. There's a richness of great engineering and great technology, and we have a lot of partners here, obviously. And so we're going to continue to do that. We're investing in Taiwan.
黄仁勋勇敢挑战地缘政治风险，互国界见识到台湾伫半导体甲科技产业的实力。CNN 的记者 Ripley 伫咧参访电脑展的时阵，嘛感觉台湾人哪亲像只关心电脑展的科技成果，完全无要插中国的军演。
You know, being someone who covers geopolitics and we focus so much about the Chinese military, it was surreal and in some ways refreshing to be in an environment where even though we're here in Taiwan and there's a lot of talk about what China has planned down the road, but this was not on the radar at all for the people who were here at Computex.
黄仁勋伫台湾人气真悬，各界也将焦点放伫辉达股价表现。拜三辉达的股价收伫1224块美金，期待头一遍突破3兆美金，正式拼过苹果，加到全球期待第2冠的公司。分析师俄勒，辉达的晶片卖出是新黄金、新石油。
AI is really a fourth industrial revolution that's playing out. These chips are the new gold, the new oil.
分析师对辉达真有信心，嘛看好辉达将会伫几礼拜内拼过微软，登上美国市值的龙头，而且强调辉达未来的市值将会来到5兆美金。
Hello， 我是陈雅玲。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。